The DJI Avata 360 is built for the sky. But what happens when it comes back down matters just as much. Without proper landing gear, every touchdown on gravel, grass, or uneven ground is a gamble you're taking with your camera and your wallet. Here we have 3 landing gears fix that problem cleanly.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Yajojo landing gear. The Yajojo landing gear has quietly become a go-to recommendation in DJI Avata communities, and once you've used it, it's easy to understand why. It clips onto the underside of your Avata 360 with a firm, rattle-free lock that holds through vibration, wind, and the general chaos of active flying. The elevated leg design lifts your drone meaningfully off the ground. Enough clearance to protect the camera lens and gimbal from rocks, wet grass, and debris that would otherwise make direct contact on every landing. The legs themselves are made from a sturdy but lightweight material that adds almost nothing to your takeoff weight while making a real difference on the ground. Setup is genuinely fast, removal is just as easy, and the Yajojo fits without any modification to your drone's body. For pilots who frequently land in the field rather than manicured flat surfaces, this is the accessory that earns its place every single session. On number 2, we have generic landing gear. Not every great accessory needs a brand name behind it, and generic landing gears for the DJI Avata 360 prove that point convincingly. These universal fit leg extenders are designed to snap on without fuss, provide solid ground clearance, and protect your drone's underbelly from the kind of casual damage that accumulates over dozens of flights. What they lack in branding, they more than make up for in value. You get dependable protection at a fraction of the cost of premium alternatives, making them an obvious choice for pilots who want to keep a spare set in their bag at all times. The build quality has improved significantly across most generic options available today, with rubberized feet that grip uneven surfaces and prevent your drone from sliding on smooth floors. If budget is a factor, or you simply want a reliable backup pair, generic landing gear is a smart, sensible call. On number 3, we have Hesupy landing gear. The Hesupy landing gear takes a slightly wider stance than most competitors, and that design choice makes an immediately noticeable difference. The broader footprint gives your Avata 360 exceptional stability on landing, even on slightly angled or soft terrain where narrower legs would rock and tip. The material is impact resistant and built to take repeated hard landings without cracking or losing its grip on the drone's frame. What pilots particularly appreciate about the Hesupy is how confident it makes the entire landing process feel. There's no nervous hovering an inch off the ground hoping for a flat patch. You bring it down, it stands firm, and you move on to reviewing your footage. It's a small shift in experience that adds up to a lot over a full day of shooting. Polished, dependable, and well worth the investment. So these are some of the best landing gears to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.